For this video, I'm going to teach you some Linktree alternatives. I'm going to show you three alternatives. So the first one that we have here is Squarespace. So if you don't know what Squarespace is, it is actually a website maker. But don't worry because you can still use it to make your landing page or to put your links in a one box or one location. For example, the outputs that you can use in Linktree. So what you can do here in Squarespace. So first, you can just go to your or open your browser that you're using and then head over to squarespace.com and create an account if you don't have one yet. So you can use your credentials and all of your information, and you can even have a free trial for a premium account or paid account if you want to. So now if you are here in Squarespace and if you already added a project or a website, then this is what you should be able to see on the left side part of your screen. So from here, what we are going to do is to go to the pages section under the website. So right here, go to pages again. And then once you're in here on the left sidebar again, you should be able to access all of your pages. So if you have, again, if you have an existing website, or if you already have an existing website, then you should be able to see all of your pages right there. So what we are going to do next is to simply add a new page. Make sure that you add a new page under the not linked section so that this page will not be accessible to your audience for your website. Then you can just simply share a private access link to the audience that you want to share your links to. So for example, I have here, I already have this link page right here. So I'm going to show you, this is just a sample work of mine. So this is it. Now, if you want to also do this, you can do again, hit this plus icon right here and then go with a blank page. So then we're going to create our page from scratch. So I'm going to name it as link to just for the purpose of this video and create that one. And then now this is what you have. So this, what you see right here is just basically a template that I have created prior to this tutorial. So just don't mind the existing elements that I have here or sections that I already have here in my page. So now what we are going to do here is to add all of your information. So usually what you need to do first is to add your business name. So head over to the edit section. So it should be located on the upper left part of your screen right here. And then once you are in the editing page, you can add different sections. So right here on the center part, it says right here, add section. So click onto it. And then this page will pop up. So then you can add different sections. So for mine, I'm just going to add an intro right here. So these are the templates that I have. So by the way, all of the designs that will be available for you here will be based on the theme that you have picked on the process of creating your account. So just take note of that. So now again, you can just pick whatever you want for your heading of your, or not heading, on the first part of your page. So I'm going to stick with this one. Add that. Now what you need to do here is to edit it based on your business. So I'm just going to write here business name just for that and make sure that it is on the center, and then you can basically tweak everything that you want right here. Now for the bottom part or the center part of your page, you usually have to add some informations for your business. Now for this section, so I'm going to edit this one or to delete this one, remove it right there, and then you can even add more section. So I'm not going to add it as an footer for my page. So I'm just going to add more right here, and then I'm going to add a contact part. So now if you want to add your social links, what you can do is to add more section and going with the contact page again and select a design that might work with that. And add, once you have clicked onto the section, then this add block button will appear on the left side or the upper right corner of your screen. And then what you're going to do here is you can go for buttons or you can go for social links. So whatever you want, but I'm going with the button and drag it in the place where I want to put it on my page. And I'm just going to basically do the same for my other social links. And then now this is where you can edit out. So for the content, you can add Facebook. So sorry, Facebook. So there you go. After you have added all of your social media, then you obviously need to link it. So to do that, just click onto that specific button, hit this link icon right here. So it is going to say edit link. So this is where you can type in or paste the link for your accounts. So I'm just going to go for the official links for it since I don't really have an account to use for it. So I'm just going to hit that, okay, and then basically do the same for the other. Now once you are satisfied with what you have, then you can just save it by clicking this save button situated on the upper left corner of your screen. Save it and then exit out of there. Now, if you want to not include the header that you have for your page, so you can just head over to your page right here and then click this gear icon situated on the right side part of it and then go to the navigation and then just toggle off the header or the footer also if you want to also exclude the footer for you and hit save. So once you have done that, then you only have all of this information for your page. And again, if you're already satisfied, you can just share the link to your audience. So that is it for the first alternative. Now, what we have here. Now, for the second option, what we have here is biosites. So biosites is also powered by Squarespace, but it is also an alternative for Linktree. So you can use it. It is at biosites.com. And if you don't have an account yet, you can just create one and try their free trial or do their free trial if you want to. Now, once you have successfully created an account in Biosites, then you should be able to land on their editing page or on their dashboard. So now for the first section that you have, so on the left side part of your screen, you have these different sections. For the first one, you have, or you can access your profile. For the second one, this is where you can add or see all of your, or all of the different sections that you can add to your website or to your landing page. And then on this one, this is where you can edit out the style. So you have themes, fonts, and more. And now for the next one, we have analytics. So this is where you can see the views, the clicks, the top click links, social links, and so on. And this for the next section, this is where you can see your payments or you can add payment provider if you want to. And for the last one, this is where you can access your audience. Now let us go back to the profile section. Now on the profile section, this is where you can edit your profile picture or your images. So you can edit the heading part of your link right here. So you can add right here your profile picture and then your wallpaper if you will. So now for the about page, this is where you can add your name and add description for your business if you want to do that. Now for the site, you can access your link on this section. So you can make it public or private. Right here, click onto it. You can opt to go for private or public, whatever you want. And then for the design, you can go for the minimal design. You can go for the creative and bold also. So you can choose whatever you want in here. Now, for the second section, this is the most important part, which are the content or the sections for your links. So you can add here your socials, the links. So by the way, if you want to add this one or the section right here, you can just simply click this plus icon situated on the right side part of it. So for example, you want to add text box, hit this plus icon right here, and then that will be added to your page. So for example, I have here title description. So I'm just going with business name. So this is just for the purpose of this video, and you can even write a detailed description if you want to. So a sample description. So there you go. I have here business name and then the description. So you can just go back and leave it as that. And you can also go for your socials. So I already have here Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, X. But if you want to add more, you can just simply choose from the options that you have here down below. So you can go for Snapchat and then just simply add the link for your Snapchat. So I'm just going with snapchat.com and then let it go. And now if you want to change the order of your social links, so you can just simply drag them one after the other. So there you go. And then I'm just going to place it in there. And then as you can see, the order changed for my social accounts. Now for the links, this is where you can add different links. For example, your websites or your shop. So you can go for different designs also. So you have buttons, you have cards, and even advanced. So let us try the buttons one. So as you can see, you have this, so you can add links and you can add more if you want to. So you can add up to five. I don't know really the maximum amount that you can add in here, but as you scroll down, you'll have more options for you. Now if you're already satisfied with what you have, you can just copy the link that is available for you on this section right here. So this is your URL basically. So you can just simply copy that link and then paste it to your social media accounts for your audience to have access to your links. So this is like a preview option for it. So that's it for this second option. And now for the last alternative, what we have here is Canva. So I know that you are already familiar with what Canva is, and you can actually create a link page in here. So from the home page, what you need to do is to go or locate the search bar situated on the upper center part of your screen, and then just simply type in links and hit enter. And now what you have right here is the templates that you can use. And then you can just simply customize it based on your business. So once you scroll down, you can access all of these templates right here. And then I'm just going to choose one. So I'm going with this one and hit customize this template. Now once you are in the editing page, again, you just need to customize it based on your business, or if this is a personal page or link page, you can add your information. So you can edit your profile right here. So delete this image and add your profile picture. And now for this one, I'm just going to go with a business name. Business name, there we go. And then you can add or tweak the changes right here. You can add your information. And now for the buttons, if you have a shop, you can also link your shop right here. Now, if you want to add the links to your social media button, you can click onto that section or to that button, right click onto it, and then select the link section right here. So click onto it, and this is where you can add the link of your social media. So I'm just going with the official link for Facebook. So this is just an example. So don't mind it. So I'm going to this one. So as you can see, it is a red link, or the link is already added. So I'm just going to not underline it and just basically do the same for all of my social medias right here. Now, if you're already satisfied with what you have and you have added all of your links, you have added all of your information, what you can do next is to share your link page to your audience. So hit the share button right here and click this copy link and paste the link to your other social media button. Then you should be able to share it to your audience, but make sure first that you have here, it says right here, collaboration link. You set it at anyone with the link. So then any person that open the link, then they'll be able to access your link page right here. So that's basically it. That is all of your alternatives, or three alternatives for Linktree. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.